So in this video, you'll learn how to reset the keyboard settings on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So the first step is to just navigate to settings, and then under settings, and then in the settings app, you want to scroll and select the option general management. From general management, you'll then tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and then you want to scroll down until you find the option for reset to default settings. Tap on it. From here, simply select the option reset keyboard settings and confirm your choice. By doing so, you'll take your keyboard back to default. So if you change the size as well as the theme of the keyboard, it will just go back to its default format. If you have any downloaded languages that are currently on your keyboard, they won't be deleted. They'll still stay on your keyboard, but everything else has been taken back to default. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.